In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage page in Wix website, full 2026 automation tutorial. Let's get started by heading to Wix. Once you're in your account and on the dashboard, focus your attention on the left-hand side. This is where you'll see navigation for your sites and editing tools. From here, either select an existing site that you want to work on or choose to create a new one. If you're starting fresh, Wix will guide you through a quick setup so you can jump right into editing. After selecting your site, click Design Site. This opens the Wix editor, where you'll make all your visual and structural changes. Give the editor a moment to load. Inside the site, you'll see your canvas in the center, a toolbar on the left for adding elements, and controls across the top. We're going to focus specifically on how to manage your pages so you can stay organized and navigate quickly. Look toward the top left area where the current page name is shown. It will usually say Home when you first open the editor. Click on Home to open the page selector. This dropdown gives you quick access to every page in your site and is a handy shortcut when you're switching between sections. From that same menu, click Manage Pages. This opens the Full Pages panel, your central hub for page organization. Here you can view all your pages, see which ones are set as your home page, and access options like hiding a page from your menu or reorganizing your site structure. It's the best place to keep everything tidy as your site grows. In the Pages panel, you can switch between List View and Grid View. List View is great if you prefer a straightforward text-based lineup of your pages, especially useful for larger sites where names and hierarchy matter most. Grid View gives you a more visual layout, which can help when you recognize pages by thumbnails. Choose whichever view makes it easier for you to spot and manage what you need. You can also add a new page right from here. Look for the Add Page option in the Pages panel. When you're ready, click Add Page. Wix will open a prompt where you can name your new page and pick a starting layout. Keep your page names clear and concise so they're easy to find later and make sense in your site's navigation. After adding, your new page will appear in the list or grid and you can select it to begin designing. That's it. You've learned how to open your site, access the page selector, manage pages, switch views, and add a new page, all within the Wix editor.